Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure your Google account is ready and your iPhone has the App Store update. Open App Store, search Google Chat, tap Install. Once done, grant the app permissions for notifications, photos, and microphone so messages, file uploads, and voice notes work. Make sure background app refresh is on so you receive messages promptly. If you're on cellular, allow mobile data. That prevents missed notifications when Wi-Fi drops. Now you're ready to open the app and sign in. You sign in using your Google account and choose the correct profile if you have multiple accounts. Once in, tap Settings to adjust notifications. Pick tones, enable vibration, and set Do Not Disturb exceptions so urgent messages still reach you. Next, sync contacts to see names instead of numbers and allow calendar access so meeting links open directly in chat. Make sure chat status and presence are enabled so teammates know when you're available. These steps keep notifications useful. You can now start direct messages or join and create rooms. Use threaded replies to keep discussions focused and easy to follow. To share, tap the plus button to attach files, photos, or Google Drive links and initiate a voice or video call when needed. If messages don't arrive, force close the app and reopen it, check for App Store or iOS updates, and sign out then back in. If that still fails, toggle background app refresh and mobile data. Then relaunch chat to confirm recovery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.